Okay, guys, how we doing? Alexia Torres here. I am about to do this review of play. We are gonna play The Adventures of the Gummy Bears. We have the screen in the way. Okay. So we are going to start this up. Like I said, it's The Adventures of the Gummy Bears. It's based on the series The Adventures of the Gummy Bears. Like I said, Alexia Torres, so A&T in the name there. This game is published by Kudos, and the developers are B&B. Which is a Russian company, I believe, is what I read. Okay, so let's check it out. So, from just looking at it right now, it kind of reminds me of, almost like Super Mario, with the way that it looks. Oh. So one thing I don't like is how sensitive the keys are. They're very sensitive if you're not used to playing computer games, like how I just died 3 times. I don't like that at all. As far as I can tell, all I'm doing is jumping and moving with the arrow keys, and then A to jump. Let's see if I move really slow here. Gosh, I probably look like really sucky. And then it just keeps going, which sucks, but okay. So another objective looks like anyways, like I was saying, another objective is to get the apples. See what I'm saying? Oh, I think it's the mouse. The mouse is screwing me up or something. I just can't win. I don't know if it's because my computer is touchscreen or what, but I'm having really bad luck with the keys. So that's obviously something I don't like. And this isn't my first go through. I've been trying to do this. See what I'm saying? It's doing its own thing and I'm not even touching. I don't know, but don't like the game. Getting aggravated with the keys. It's nothing like having a remote in your hand. Still doing it. I don't know why. It's really weird. Yeah, okay. So I can't get the gist of it. The keys are acting crazy. It's been doing this before I even started recording. And not just this one. I tried Adventures of Bullwinkle, and it was doing this as well. I mean, the game looks like it could be interesting, since it does look like Mario, but I don't know. Was never into the gummy bears. So anyways, hope if anyone else tries this, they have a little bit better luck. Thanks, guys.